Hey there, gamers. Welcome to Fix Netflix YouTube channel. So, your PlayStation 5 isn't working? It won't turn on, but it beeps, or maybe it doesn't beep at all. Perhaps it's stuck in rest mode, or you see the white power lead, but the screen stays black. Sounds frustrating, right? But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 quick and easy troubleshooting steps to get your PS5 back up and running. Stick around because, at the end, I'll share a last resort fix that could save you from sending your console in for repair. Let's get started. Section 1. Quick Fix. Before we get into the detailed fixes, try this simple trick. Insert a disc into your PS5 console if it's not the digital version. Don't force it in, but your PlayStation should detect it and power on automatically. Give it a shot, and let me know in the comments if it worked. If not, let's move on to more troubleshooting steps. Section 2. Understanding the issue. Now, there are 3 main categories of PS5 power issues. Case 1. Your PS5 beeps but won't turn on. Case 2. Your PS5 has no power at all. Case 3. Your PS5 turns on, but the screen stays black. If you have better solution or idea, kindly comments in below. And remember, I've got an advanced troubleshooting step at the end if nothing else works. Case 1. Beeps but won't turn on. If your PS5 beeps when you press the power button but doesn't turn on, or it turns on but won't stay on, this may be due to overheating. Try these fixes. Move your PS5 to a well-ventilated area. If it's dusty, clean it thoroughly. If overheating was the issue, this should fix it. If not, let's check for power issues. Case 2. No power at all. If your PS5 isn't responding at all, no beep, no lights, follow these steps. First, unplug the power cable from the back of the console and wait at least 1 minute. Then, plug it back in and try turning it on. Then try using a different power cord. If your PS5 is plugged into an extension socket, plug it directly into a wall outlet. Test the power socket by plugging in another device, like a phone charger. If your console still won't turn on, power cycle it by unplugging it for 30 minutes, then try again. If this didn't work, let's move on to screen issues. Case 3. Power LED is on but screen is black. If your PS5's power LED is on but the screen stays black, the issue is likely a bad HDMI connection. Try these steps. Make sure the HDMI cable is securely connected at both ends. Then try using a different HDMI cable. Check if your monitor or TV works with another device. If not, your display may be broken. Case 4. Stuck in rest mode. If your PS5 is stuck in rest mode and you see the orange LED, here's how to fix it. First, hold down the power button for 15 seconds until it turns off with a beep. Then, turn it back on. It should boot up normally. If it's still not working, don't worry. We have one more method to try. Section 3. Last resort safe mode fix. If none of these solutions worked, it's time for safe mode troubleshooting. Here's how. First, make sure your console is completely turned off. Then, hold down the power button until you hear a second beep. Then, connect your controller to the console using a charging cable and press the PS button. Now, try these options. Restart PS5. Select this first. Your console should restart. Change resolution. Fixes black screen issues caused by an unsupported resolution. Rebuild database. This cleans up your system and may take some time, but it's worth it. Reset PS5 last resort. This erases everything but has a high chance of fixing any major issues. And that's it. I really hope this guide helped you out. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Fix Netflix for more troubleshooting tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.